In this video, I'm going to walk you through Bud AI Foundry's end-user dashboard. In the previous videos, we looked in detail at Bud AI Foundry, which organizations can use to create and manage powerful, OpenAI-like compound AI systems. However, the end users of these systems don't need to worry about the building blocks, things like models, inference optimizations, agents, clusters, prompts, guardrails, evaluations, compliance, and many more. They only care about accessing and using the final models or agents. That's where Bud AI Foundry's end-user dashboard comes in. It provides a clean, OpenAI-style interface where end users can browse published models, experiment in playgrounds, track usage, and generate API keys to integrate AI directly into their applications. No deep technical expertise required. So, who is it for? For example, enterprises can build a compound AI system similar to OpenAI using the Bud AI Foundry, and then enable internal teams to easily and securely access AI models and agents through an end-user dashboard. Original equipment manufacturers can bundle AI capabilities with their hardware, offering an AI Foundry in a box. Cloud service providers can expose models to their customers as model as a service, token as a service, or even outcome as a service, turning idle CPU and GPU capacity into new revenue streams. In short, organizations can use the dashboard to maintain control and management of their AI offerings, while end users get a frictionless experience to test and deploy AI. Now let's take a closer look into the dashboard. When a user signs in, they arrive at the Models page. Here they see a curated list of models that the admin has made available. By clicking on it, the user can dive deeper into the details, learning how the model works, what modalities it supports, which endpoints it offers, and the model URI they'll need to integrate it into their own applications. This is where customers get the practical information they need to start building on top of your AI. Now, suppose a user wants to see how a model behaves before plugging it into production. That's where the playground comes in. From this tab, users can experiment with different prompts, tweak inference settings, and observe how the model responds. It's like a safe testing ground where they can fine-tune their understanding of what the model can deliver. For example, they might try giving the model a simple prompt, like summarize this paragraph, and then adjust the parameters to see how it changes the output. Moving on, the Logs tab offers powerful analytics. Here, users can track their activity in detail, whether they want to filter results by specific models, projects, or timeframes. They'll see statistics such as total requests, inference success rates, average latency, and the number of tokens consumed. To make this data even clearer, the dashboard provides visualizations, request volume over time, latency distribution graphs, and even geographical breakdowns showing where requests are coming from. If a customer notices a sudden spike in latency, they can use these charts to quickly pinpoint when and where it happened. Financial transparency is handled in the Usage and Billing tab. Here, users get insights into their overall spending across models, how many tokens they've consumed, and clear visualizations to track patterns. Let's say a team has a fixed budget. They can set billing alerts to avoid overspending and monitor costs in real time. For compliance and accountability, there's the Audit tab. Every action, whether it's a model being used, an API key being added, or a configuration being changed, is logged here. Users can filter events by type, resource, or time frame to trace exactly what happened and when. This is especially valuable for organizations that need a reliable record for audits or regulatory checks. The dashboard also gives users control over API keys. If a model requires a separate license, customers can bring their own keys, assign them to specific projects, and even set expiry dates. This ensures that teams have flexibility while keeping access secure. In addition, the Projects tab allows users to create and manage different projects. This is helpful when teams want to separate analytics and monitoring. Altogether, the end-user dashboard is designed to give your customers not just access to your models, but also the tools, insights, and controls they need to make the most out of them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon with another exciting update.